and I have a bunch of stuff arriving in the next like couple days to a week. Let's fall refresh this kitchen. I am so excited. Cannot wait another second. Let's do this. Good morning, friends, and welcome back to our channel. Today's video is such an exciting video. This is part of our fall series, but this is the fall refresh. I don't know about you guys, but there's something about fall and the changing leaves. It just makes me want to like clean out and purge everything. And as you guys know, we redid our kitchen back in January. And so slowly but surely, like we've been living with the new cabinets and we love our new kitchen and we just want to make it a whole aesthetic vibe. And right now our pots and pans are old, our dishes are like 9-10 years old, they've got cracks and chips and we've broken some and lost some, our silverware is mixed matched. You get the deal, okay? It's just a thing. And so we've been talking about, you know, we need to buy some new pots and pans. We need to buy some new dishes. And so I just want to show you guys like what we have now. And I have a bunch of stuff arriving in the next like couple days to a week. So as things start to come in, we're going to do all the unboxing together. I will show you guys how they look in the house, if the pieces that I purchased are actually like what I really want or not. But my pots and pan set, I am actually giving away because my sister needs them. Exciting for her. She got a new place. So the pots and pans are leaving today. We won't get our new pots and pans until next week, but we have my always pan and my always pot, which that's what I cook out of all the time anyway. So let's just do like a little quick before shot of like what our dishes look like and what our pots and pans are. And then I will start showing you guys all of the fun stuff for our fall refresh, making our kitchen look beautiful and sparkly and shiny, and just like making our kitchen more our vibe. The pots and pans that I have coming, you guys, are a vibe. They are so pretty. I cannot wait for you guys to see them. So if this is content that you guys like to see, don't forget to like and subscribe because it really supports our channel. And if you hit that little notification bell, it'll just let you know when our next video comes out. And let's jump into this video and check out the before pictures so that you guys can see the amazing transformation for this fun fall kitchen refresh video. Let's go. All right, you guys. So this is the vibe that we have going on right now. We have mostly black pots and pans because they were given to us for either our wedding or, you know, just things that we've accumulated over the years. We've used our Redwood rewards points to get pots and pans. But as you can see, Doug bought me my always pan. It's beautiful. I love it. It sits on my stovetop. He got that for me for my birthday. We loved it so much. We got one of the Our Place always pots. We love it. We use mostly the always pot and the always pan like all the time. And then I got some white pots and pans that were super cute just for YouTube so that I could make it look more aesthetic, to be honest. So I cannot wait to refresh this and make this look like a whole vibe because black just is not our thing anymore, and that's fine. And it also just, we want it to be a whole aesthetic thing. Okay, and then I want to show you our dish situation. These are old dishes from Pier 1, and they used to be really cute. I absolutely loved them. It was like a square plate, a circle plate, square circle, and it just was like a whole vibe. But over the years, they've just gotten broken. And same with these like little matching white plates right here. These used to match the white plates down here. Again, some of them have gotten broken. So then we've just substituted. We got these big salad bowls from Target. We got the smaller bowls from Target. Okay, but about, I don't know, 6 weeks ago, it was before we left for Maui, I ran into JCPenney's to pick up something for Doug, and I went up the escalator and they have their homeware section, and I was looking for a really pretty bowl to put my blueberries in at the end of the night, because if you guys know, I eat like a little half cup of blueberries and 2 squares of chocolate every night. It's like my thing. I love it. But I've been using Liv's purple plastic bowls, and I just wanted something that was a vibe. I wanted, you know, an aesthetic bowl, just like a nice little bowl, you know, to put my stuff in because I do it every single night. And so I found this guy. It's so cute. I loved the texture. What's funny is I actually have like 3 or 4 bowls like this on Etsy in my shopping cart. And then I found this for like half the price, and just like I loved the little natural rim, the texture rim. It's got great texture on the side. It's got the little speckles. I don't know if you guys can see that really well. The speckles on the inside. It was just a vibe and I loved it. So while I was there, I picked up this guy's Perfect. It's like a little teeny tiny bowl and it's perfect for my berries. Love it. But they also had the salad bowl and just like a cereal bowl. Same vibe all around. And so I bought them just because I wanted to see how they performed, you know, how they washed in the dishwasher. They say they're dishwasher safe. I've used these and washed them several times and they still look beautiful and perfect. So I actually ordered a new set of dishes, which are so affordable, you guys. I cannot believe how affordable this dish set was. I will have it linked in the description box down below for you guys. It is so good. Highly recommend. I've been using it. I've been loving it. I can't wait to see the plates and have everything just like beautiful in my kitchen cabinet, because right now that's not a vibe, right? Like, the chipped, broken dishes is not a vibe. We're up leveling our life in all areas, and this is part of it right here, right? Stop living with the dingy, broken dishes, okay? Also, let's look at the silverware drawer, guys, because it's actually a little embarrassing. I'm not gonna lie, I've been telling Doug for a while, like I'm so ready to throw all of this silverware away. Some of it is silverware from before Doug and I met, like my silverware, his silverware, and then just random people's silverware from like parties that we've had. People bring plates and that we end up with their silverware. Like, it's just a mess in there. So let's do a before shot of our silverware drawer. The biggest box I've ever seen, you guys. But this is the rest of our dishes. Hello, friends. Oh my goodness. All of the boxes showed up on our doorstep today. They weren't all supposed to come today, but they all magically showed up today. So I am so excited to open all of the boxes for you guys. I got rid of, well, we gotta pull out some of the pots and pans, but I got rid of a whole set of pots and pans, gave them to my sister. She took some of our dishes. So exciting. So we need to open the dishes, we need to wash the dishes and put them away. We also got new silverware, so I cannot wait to show you. Liv is here. She's gonna help us demo all the stuff that's happening. I am so excited. Let's get to it. And also, excuse the hair. I did a workout this morning. We've been at a friend's house all day, and you know what? I'm just too excited. I have to open these boxes right now. So let's fall refresh this kitchen. I am so excited. Cannot wait another second, guys. So we both mutually agreed we want to see the pots and the pans first. So we'll put some stuff aside. Dun, 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 dun. Perfect. Okay, so I don't remember if I showed you guys this last time, but I have a little like lid organizer, and it was rose gold, but I painted it last night into a regular gold so that it matches our pots and pans. They have beautiful gold details. We got them at Williams Sonoma.
It's okay, I can hold them. Okay,
they're called Green Pan. Guys, oh my goodness, there's so much lighting in this kitchen. It's really good and really bad. So they're this beautiful like taupe color and then cream on the inside with gold detail handles. Ah, I'm dying. They're so pretty. Exactly what I wanted. I love this style pan. I have the Our Place pan. So we'll have two, which is perfect because we use two a lot, like side by side when we're making our butternut squash pasta. So now we have two pretty ones. You want to find the lid for that guy? You are so good at matching those up.
Now I know how.
Oh my goodness, you guys. They sparkle. The insides sparkle. Oh, that's even better. Oh my goodness, they're so beautiful. I love them. Okay, we're gonna change this situation because this lighting is terrible. All right, you guys, I think we fixed the lighting thanks to Liv. She's the best. Liv has decided she wants to see the silverware next, and I am so excited because I have not seen these in person. I got the silverware at Target, and I had seen silverware at Target, which is why I shopped there online, obviously. So I'm very excited to see them. Are you?
Meow meow.
Yes. That means yes.
That's a cat one.
It
I
is.
can help.
Oh, you gotta get all the tape cut off first. Okay, ready?
I'll help.
Rip it. Oh, you're so strong. Ooh.
Cool.
Cool.
Put it.
I'll show you guys some more in depth. I want to open them and see how the weight of them are because I don't want to open both of them. I want to see if I like them. I loved the shape of them. They just had really pretty detail on the handle, and I loved the shape of them. So the knife has the detail all around, which that's how I thought they all would be, but they don't. These guys are flat on the back, which I guess I don't really mind. I just thought that it would have the design all the way around like it does on that, but they have a good weight, and the color gold is more of like a champagne-y gold. So I'm excited about that. I'll get you guys, like I said, you guys will see them put away, so I'll show you them when they look a little bit better.
What about the
Or when the lighting's not so bright, if that makes sense. All right, you guys, last and certainly not least, the dishes. Now we have dinner plates. Oh, you wanna hold it? You wanna show them? Just go slow, 2 hands, please. So it looks like we only got plates, which that's fine. I need to check my confirmation.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh,
friends, editing Charlene here. I realized I forgot to film an outro for this video. We got so many beautiful dishes and the pots and pans, but the pots and pans and most of the dishes came the first day that I filmed, and then the rest of the dishes came a couple days later. And then you guys, I went into my psoriatic arthritis flare and I've just been so low energy. I've also been working a lot, and so I totally forgot to outro this video. So what do you guys think of the kitchen? I absolutely love it. It is such a vibe, you guys. The dishes are beautiful. I love that I can pick my all of my plate sets. It all matches, but just making your dinner or your breakfast a moment and honoring that time for you and knowing that you're worth that time to make your meal look pretty and, you know, put a nice fork that just looks all so pretty, like the gold fork on the natural plate, and it's just it's a vibe. It's something that I've been working toward all year long. I'm a mama of a small kid, and so for the last several years I've been eating leftovers out of the leftover thing cold over my desk or over the sink, or, you know, not eating or just not taking care of myself. So taking the time to plate my food and make it look pretty and just create a kitchen that I really enjoy cooking in. And we needed new pots and pans anyway, and when Doug asked me, you know, should we just get another set of pots and pans? I was like, no, I want some pots and pans that look nice in here. And why not? We were gonna spend the money on pots and pans anyway. We might as well get what we really wanted for the kitchen. Does that make sense? We spent all this money on this beautiful kitchen renovation. Why do we have old, ugly black pots, broken dishes, and mix-match silverware? No. We are not here for that. It's just so pretty now. I love it. What do you guys think? What do you guys think of the dishes? I want to know. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are in the comments down below. If you guys want any of the stuff, I will have all of the dishes, the silverware, the pots and pans, everything will be listed in the description box down below for you, so check it out. Those pots and pans, you guys, I've been using them for a couple weeks now. They are beautiful. They wash so easy, but you guys, they just wipe out so easy. They're beautiful. They sparkle on the inside. They're perfect. They're absolute perfection. I love them so much. They just, again, they just bring this beautiful vibe to our kitchen. I love it. I love cooking in them. It makes me excited to cook. And if you know me, I don't love cooking. It's not my thing. I do it for you guys mostly. I mean, I do it for my family because I love them, but most of the time, if I'm filming a what I eat in a week, that's for you guys. I don't like to cook every single night. My husband is a gem. He cooks a lot. So I will stop rambling because I do that. If this was content that you guys like to see, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. More videos coming of just day in the life, chronic illness, because that's where we're at right now. We're also going into the holiday season, and yeah, so we've got Set Yourself Up for Success videos, we've got end of the year content, we got Vlogmas coming. Get excited. I'm excited. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful day.